5:27 a.m. Leaving my house. I already talked to Peter Mendia and he's driving up from West Palm. We're all meeting at Shay's house an hour and a half from now at 7. Lopey open.
Where you guys at?
Leaving Shay's.
Okay.
Where are you at?
We're just leaving Tallahassee.
If you look out our window, it's about knee to waist high at the time. Storm probably 200 miles off the coast, but it's moving as fast as the swell. We're just fighting dark right now, and hopefully we can get down to the beach and meet up with Corey and see some of those first ground swell solid sets before dark.
We're just gonna go wait for the swell to actually come in. Who knows though? It's probably gonna hit in the middle of the night, honestly, but hopefully it hits right now.
Let's go check this thing out over here.
Don't even look at it. You're not gonna go out. I didn't even look at it yet.
That's sick to hear.
Just last night I woke from some unconscionable dream. Had it nailed to my forehead again. To keep this bottle afloat with everything you can't afford, you know. So I save all my breath for the sands, to find those lingering voices, just to eat this attempt to make it all clean and nice and get the moron out of you. Walking a bridge on weakening cables, huddled up in fear and hate, because you know our fate and it's a lot to put us through. Most ideas turn to dust. There are few in which we all can trust. Haven't you noticed I've been shedding all of mine? So let's abandon that track and leave our fathers fighting in a sack, cause we're way too wise, as for that. You might find some fools at your doorstep, hustling the latest changes to the book of the strange in an attempt to multiply marionettes on weakening cables, huddled up with fear and hate, because they know their fate and it's a lot to put them through. You're taking on a climb, and it's long enough to put the best of us on our backs, walking up a slide, and there are those we know who'd have us 5 miles off the track.
Unfortunately, that's the way it's been overnight again. But hopefully it's still going to be good, but it was probably going crazy around midnight.
We got the Shea Lopez Chronicles. It's still dark. He's talking nonsense. See if he's right.
We got a hurricane a few miles away. The wind and weather is fine. All the bands are staying offshore on the radar, and you know it's blowing like 20 to 30. You guys ready for us to come by?
Yeah, come on.
You ready?
Are you ready?
Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Kind of sucks that it was a swell peak last night. Woke up this morning, just didn't look near the same ocean. Now we've got more like a windy, chunky, short period, whatever. It doesn't look fun. One thing happened, it got on the other side of Cuba and it went up to 12 to 14 to 17 miles per hour, and so it was just pushing the swell up so fast in front of it, and there was a window and it was probably from 8 p.m. to 2 a.m.
Dropped twice in size since we've been here.
You go back to the park and surf those waves?
Well, we got the ski.
We got it, let's go!
I can beach the ski over there, right?
Yeah.
need my jet ski key at the hotel.
Parker left his backpack at the hotel, and there's no key to the jet ski. He had a bad day.